Homeowners get that notice in the mail telling you the value of your home, and you either agree or disagree. Today, the Harris County Appraisal District announced the market appears to be normalizing. But if you saw a big jump in your appraisal, you might be thinking about protesting. Troy Kless here live to walk us through the process. Troy?
Well, Len, and to anyone else, if you're new to Texas, then you might be wondering what we're talking about, but never fear, we're here to help you walk through the property tax game. Now, those notices are in the mail, and you only have days to act and potentially save money.
A home is typically your biggest investment. Sylvie Novotny has worked for over 30 years in Houston, helping homeowners and businesses protest appraised values on that investment. She says when your home's appraised values hit your mailbox, the first thing to do is figure out whether your appraised value has gone up or down.
If your property lowered, that doesn't mean that you shouldn't protest.
She says you should be looking at a few key things as you prepare a protest.
They'll have typically about 5 comparables that they think are the most comparable to your property. You can bring in arguments to whether or not you think that those properties are or are not comparable. Something else that you can bring in that's outside of that evidence is any issues with your property that have not been fixed as of January 1st.
The Harris Central Appraisal District offers other suggestions.
Check with a local realtor and get some comps. What are properties in my area selling for? And if they still don't think that the value we put on the property is correct, then we by all means encourage them to go ahead and file the protest.
Protest hearings typically allow you 15 minutes to present your facts to an appraiser. Those hearings can be held both virtually and in person.
That appraiser is going to ask you what your opinion of value is, so you want to make sure that you have that prepared. And then, so whatever number you think that you can is a reasonable number for you. And then they'll ask you for your evidence.
There are other steps, including appeals, but experts say whether or not it's your first time protesting, the time spent can save you money in the end.
If you can get it below your appraised value, then you're looking at tax savings.
So you have until May 15th or 30 days after that letter has been sent, whichever date is later. And the Harris Central Appraisal District also has translators on staff in case English is your second language. Reporting live in West Houston, Troy Kless, KHOU 11 News.